Let x be a positive continuous random variable. Consider the transformation y equals to x to the power 4, then the Jacobian of the inverse transformation. So we have x be a positive continuous random variable. So it means x given to be greater than 0. So y is equals to x to the power 4 is 1 1 on 2. So this is valid transformation. So I can say this is valid transformation. Now inverse transformation will be is y to the power 1 by 4, that is equals to x. Now they are asking the Jacobian of inverse transformation. What is the Jacobian? If I have a say y as a random variable, and I have a transformation this y to power 1 by 4. So the Jacobian will be del of x upon del of y. So this is just a random variable which is function of itself one random variable. So this will be dx by dy. So this will be 1 by 4 y to the power 1 by 4, just doing derivative with respect to y. So 1 by 4 y to the power minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer.